this project is aimed at Year 9 pupils across the Bregenne County Borough to try and integrate them back into some sort of vocational pathway and to give them a bit of a choice in terms of what do they want to do in the future, looking at options for their careers and giving them a varied approach to education.
And the programme as well is designed then just to give them a basic taster for when they come in the next academic term.
They get a good taste of all different trades, which will give them a good insight then to go on for FE full-time courses.
Getting the chance to come out of school and go into the junior apprenticeship, I think it's a really good opportunity.
I think most of them are looking to come back next year. There's one or two that are not quite sure, but that's fine. I think this is what this 6 weeks is all about.
Currently on Pencoed campus, we're offering a landscape gardening course, a brickwork course and a carpentry course. This covers lots of different areas within construction, and post-16 they will be able to come in then and look at a multi-trade or even look at a 14 to 16 pathway at full-time provision that we run at Bregenne College called the Junior Apprenticeship Programme.
If they're thinking of leaving school and coming onto the JA programme, this will really help make a decision clearer for them.
So on Fridays we offer a health and social care course and a hair and beauty course down on Cowbridge Road campus.
I just think it's an incredible opportunity because when they come from school, it's more of an academic side of things, and we know that not all learners are academic, so when they come to us, it is literally all about creativity, and we're the ones then that just support progressing them through that.
We can't do it in school. Not saying school's bad for you and everything, school's good, but you can't do makeup, nails and all that in school, so college has basically let us come here for 6 weeks and do the things we want to do.
It's like more like freedom, so like you don't have like teachers like constantly telling you what to do, like you can like do your own stuff. Whereas in school it's not always what like you'd want to do. Whereas in college you come and like it's just more like opportunities for stuff you want to do.
It's given them a good opportunity to look into what's available in the future.
I'd recommend this because it would like help kids with their mental health wherever they go through, and if it's hard in school, I think that's like really good that people have been picked to come.
It's a really big benefit for students who school just isn't quite right for them, but we don't want to lose them. We want them to stay in education, and this really helps them to take a different step and go in a different direction and get the qualifications that they need so they can go on to do a career in something that's really important to them.
And we do have neurodiverse learners as well, so we're obviously able to differentiate then with them within that creative space.
But it really helps with students who have anxiety, who are worried about coming to college. It breaks down that stress so they could come and see what they're going to be doing ready for September and make sure that this is what they want to do.
We kind of mould them into Bregenne College learners, so being ready, respectful and safe. So we know then they are ready to go up to that next level as soon as they finished with us then, because there are still a lot of learners when they come from school, they're not ready. So they're having a head start really in regards to that stepping stone moving forward.
So the SPF funding has made a huge impact at Bregenne College. This has allowed me to see lots of different students across a 6-week project, which has never been done before, which has made a huge impact not only to me, but also to the staff that's delivering on the project, and some of the work that they produce has been fantastic.
The creative side coming out in regards to obviously the nail art and the actual face painting is just incredible. So we see what their abilities are and we just progress that further.
I've not had one pupil complain, and that's truth. They're all happy, they're all excited. One pupil in particular, I spoke to him last week and I think he hadn't been in school for 18 months and now he's told about this project and he hasn't missed a day. And he's happy, he's smiling, he's producing some really fantastic stuff.
There's always that opportunity to succeed in themselves and be the best versions of themselves.
I just think it gives young people something to look forward to in the future and to be excited about education again.